Hi! On the Woodpecker today, I'm going to show you how you can make your own tall fence so you can rip tall pieces. A normal rip fence is quite low. It's perfect for ripping boards like this, but not really designed to rip in this direction. Yes, it can work, but it's not ideal. Here you can see the plank is at least 4 times the width of the height of my rip fence. It's the reason why, over 10 years ago, I made this auxiliary tall rip fence for my old table saw. Today I'm going to make another one. And what better wood to use than those plywood cutoffs? As a matter of fact, this is the first plywood I used for my first big cutting table. The holes were not to my liking, so I made another one. And it's perfect because it's already varnished. But all those holes on the sides are terrible. So I removed them. Then I ripped 2 strips to the same width of my rip fence. Here they are on top of my guide. But I can see they're a sliver too wide. I fixed this with super thin passes on the jointer. Now it's perfect. But I need to cut the last piece on the panel that I've never cut before. After removing the mortise's holes, I lay the 4 pieces on top of each other and cut them to the same length in one swipe. With clamps, I check if this will work. Since I'm satisfied, I mark where to drill the screw holes and drill them. This takes a little while, but it's done now. Now using clamps and 2 spacers, I can begin to screw this in place. Then I place the second strip on top and screw it in place. Before screwing the other side, I make sure the strip is square. When all the screws are tightened, I have my new auxiliary tall rip fence. One thing I can say is that when it's in place, it doesn't move. Now I have a nice tall surface to help me when I need to rip tall boards. But I'm missing something important. Yes, I always write the date on my jigs. You can see the date on my old fence. And now I can put my new tall fence to work, and you'll be able to see it in the next episode of the Woodpecker.